Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new part of the Psychology of Persuasion series. In this very short video, I'm gonna talk about why positivity is so powerful when it comes to convincing someone to take that action that you want them to take on. So in general, people don't respond well to negative kind of speeches, and the reality is that when speaking about something change, it's easy to unintentionally speak in negative terms instead of positive terms. We usually point out things in a negative direction rather than highlighting all the positiveness of our argument. And it's much more persuasive to use positive language rather than negative language. The more positive you are, the more likely you are to win someone over to your side of the argument. For example, instead of saying something like you will not feel tired, which is a negative kind of statement, we can say something like you will feel full of energy, right? So you can feel the difference in between those two different ways of saying. The first sentence is putting things in a negative direction, while the second sentence is putting things in a positive direction. And the simple truth is that positive language tends to be much more persuasive than scarcity, FOMO, or whatever it is, the strategy that you may be using in your business. No one likes to be pressured into making a decision, right? And if you point out things in a negative direction, this can feel like you are trying to pressure them to go through the way that you want them to go on, right? And this actually ties back to the strategy where you should create a vivid picture of the good life by sharing positive things and help others to understand how fantastic their lives will be once they get your product or get your service or get your solution, instead of scaring them into doing something that they don't want. So you should help them to see that not only will your solution eliminate the negative things that they are facing, but will also bring a large number of positive things into their lives. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.